Alright y'all, so we got a 1966 Chevrolet Impala SS. It's a true SS 427 car. Beautiful maroon. It's a manual. You see that the top is up. I decided to leave the top up so you guys can see you know, the condition that it's in, because it's in excellent condition. It's a newer top, newer pads. I'll let it down later on in the video so you guys can see it. So as we move around the car, this is a beautiful car. No major dents or scratches that need to be pointed out. Man, they kind of parked a little bit close to this wall. We're gonna make it work though. Rear fender looks good. No dents, no waves, anything like that. Back looks nice and solid. Chrome trim around the top looks good, and you can see how tight the top is as well. No wrinkles. Rear bumper looks good. No rust, no dents, no pitting going on. All trim intact the way that it's supposed to be. And trunk looks properly aligned as well. Don't see it catching in any of the corners, so pretty solid there. Looking on the driver's side, looks pretty solid again. No waves to point out, no major dents. Tires are new at all four corners. You'll see that later on the rack. A little bit of fingerprints on it, so it looks a little bit dirty. And I'm not gonna lie to you, we had a photo shoot, that's why. So somebody used the car for like 5 hours for a photo shoot, and I just decided to go ahead and shoot the video just so we don't get caught up in any type of weather or anything. So excuse the fingerprints. But again, as we move around the body is in excellent condition. Windshield is nice and solid, no cracks, no spider webbing, no rock chips that I can see. As we look at the hood, again, the original paint looks nice and solid, no crazy dents to point out. Front bumper looks good, no rust or dents there either. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Give me 1 second. There we go. So you see under the hood, beautiful 427, more than enough power for this car, obviously. New alternator, manual brakes, power steering. This was a non-AC equipped vehicle. Thing looks pretty solid under there. Let me shut the hood, see if the keys are in here. And they are. Nice clean trunk, nothing to hide anything, no carpet, no soft spots, no holes. Got the original jack, and that's it. So, super clean. As you see, we got a black interior. Driver's side door panel looks solid, no pilling, no warping. Got your normal discoloration, 60-year-old car is what you expect. Rear seats look solid, no rips, no tears. Newer black carpet. Aftermarket seats, I think these, what are they, Pro Car or Pro Cat? One of those, I can't remember. But aftermarket seats, super comfortable. They do recline and slide. Let me get in here. Dash looks good. No cracks, no warping. I'm gonna check, I think that's a retro sound radio. We'll check it. Mileage reads 27,541. As you see, we got a 4-speed. Go ahead and get on the passenger side. Swear I ain't slammed that door. I know it just sounded like that because of the echo. Passenger side, again, rear seat solid, no rips, no tears. Yeah, Pro Car scats, that's what they're called. Carpet looks good. And there's your passenger door panel. So everything looks pretty solid. Stay tuned. We'll go ahead and start this. Getting ready for the test drive in the 66. We'll go ahead and let the top back. You guys already seen the top with it up. So like I told you, 427 car. Sounds amazing for sure. You can see the top, like I said, it does work with zero issues. Adequate speed going back as well. So top is solid. And this was a retro sound radio, I thought it was, so. Let me see. hear it beeping, but I didn't have, there we go. Yeah, so it does work FM, so there we go. So we're good there. No AC, none to worry about that. We'll see if the gauges come up. We got oil pressure, we got battery voltage. We'll see if the temp comes up. Not really worried about the clock. Right turn signal is on, left turn signal on. No horn. What's up with the wipers? Wipers good. And wipers are good. Windows are manual, so we're pretty solid, ready to roll. This thing definitely has some power. Definitely a fun car to drive for sure. Beautiful day. That's why I went ahead and took the top off.
Oh, ran used to that big block.
This thing definitely pulling. Like every time he shifts, I'm getting thrown to the back of the seat. Yeah, like this 427 is ready to move for sure. Brakes are solid, no issues there. I don't feel any like pulsing or anything. I'm telling you, like every single time you can spin the tires if you want to. Like it's got enough power. RPMs are moving up. Speedometer is working. Speedometer is a little bit off. It was showing about 50. Pretty sure we was closer to 35, 40. Suspension feels good. Not bouncing all over the place. Shifts are smooth. This is definitely one of them fun cars to drive for sure. So we're gonna go ahead and head back and throw it on the rack. Check out. All right, so we got 66 on the rack. Rear bumper looks good. Again, no dents, no rust. Underneath, there is no coating to hide anything, so you do see some surface rust. But the trunk pans, frame extensions, all look solid. Nothing missing, and gas tank, no leaks there at all. As we come to the rear, we got stock suspension. Exhaust has been done clearly. Going down the passenger side first, frame is nice and straight, and floors are beautiful. No soft spots, no patchwork anywhere. And then as we come down the driver's side, same thing. Floors are good, frame is nice and straight. Just came off the test drive, no signs of leak from the trans or the oil pan. Again, all stock suspension. We got drums at all four corners, and no signs of leaks anywhere else underneath. Front bumper looks good again, no dents, no rust. Let me get around here. New tires at all four corners. Not gonna highlight that again, but just so you see. Wheel well is good. Getting underneath the body. Obviously the car has been painted at some point in time because there's some on the frame, but it couldn't have been too recent. And then they got the splatter paint at the bottom for the rock guard. Definitely nice and clean though. Rear quarter panel looks good. No bubbling, no waves. And then coming down the driver's side, more the same. Wheel wells look good and solid underneath. So overall, super solid. All right, so if you're interested in this 66, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.